Okay, guys. So I have somebody very special for y'all to meet. Is it a puppy? Is it a baby? There's no telling with me, huh? But no more dogs. We have 3, and that's plenty, as Daddy would say. I would have 20 if it were up to me. So here we have Colette, and this is one of my all-time favorite babies. And she is wearing a christening gown that had originally came with Autumn. And I forgot I had it put up. And it is absolutely gorgeous. I bought this separately from Autumn, from Linda Hill. And so anyways, let's get to business here. So on the count of 3, I am going to reveal what is under this blanket. You see my shadow on the blanket. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Everybody, oops. I would like y'all to meet Tristan. He came in a box opening. I'll show y'all his little swirl on his loop-de-loop I have going on his hair. He came in a box opening, but I was having a bad day. I still can't hear properly out of my right ear, to the point that I can't even hear my phone when it's beside me. So yesterday was kind of rough for me. Daddy's gone to Fort Worth. He's coming home tonight. And so I was just having a bad day. So I sounded not very enthused. If y'all'd still like to see the box opening, I can upload it at a later time. I just wasn't happy with the kind of mood I was in. So anyways, he is the Reborn Charles sculpt. He is a breather. His nose is open. Remove his binky. And he is so sweet. I just want to show y'all the difference in reborning. He is very just sugars and what is he even called? Cookies and cream. He is like, or you know what I'm saying. I can't even think of the term. And Colette is very, very detailed. I mean, heavy on the details. And that's usually how I prefer babies. But I tell y'all what, I really like the difference, having the difference in the 2 styles of artwork. And that's what's so fascinating. It's like I don't crave a certain sculpt. Usually I do love Tina Kiwi babies, but it's like the artistry. It's just, it's cool to me. And it's cool to have hair to play with again. I have it on Robin. Speaking of Robin, let me show y'all her. So here's Robin, and she is wearing an outfit from her Auntie Kim. And she looks so pretty playing with the butterflies. And then I have Harper over there, Nanny McBee, and Maple, the pretty little chihuahua. So she had a busy day, didn't you, Maple? She went to PetSmart today and got a new tag made for her. And we haven't put it on your collar yet, right, Maple? She's like, forget this. So anyways, guys, I will do a details video probably later on. But I just also wanted to come on to tell y'all that, no, I may have to redo his magnet because it's not very strong. So, anyways, I wanted to come on and tell y'all that we're going to be having a giveaway soon. Very soon. Probably the next video soon. And it's going to be a bigger giveaway. So, like I said, his first name is Tristan. And I cannot think of a middle name. Well, there's a million I could think of. But I'm going to let y'all pick for me. And the winner of that giveaway will be the name that is picked. So that's how it's going to work. Very simple indeed. And like I said, stay tuned because it'll probably be, or it will be, the next video. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to share him with y'all. And I hope y'all love him as much as I do. And I will talk with y'all later. So if you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all.